welcome to my new speakers review. It's kind of good, I guess, and it's really cheap in my country. I don't know where to actually start. Well, the annoying thing is that there's always a guy speaking.
Bluetooth mode has been on.
And even if I connect it to my phone, it will still say paired, and the problem is that you cannot turn it off. Everyone that has like this speaker or other speakers that talk are really pissed off. Well, another thing that I hate about speakers that they say like there's a subwoofer, and there's actually not. It's like a passive radiator that helps like the bass go kind of better, but I don't see any kind of difference. So here we have like there's 2 or 3 watt speakers. One is there, other is there, and there's the big passive radiator. So the look is pretty decent. I mean, not the best maybe quality, not like 360 sound, but yeah, the buttons are pretty simple. They like do with the clap, like, and maybe you can hear that. So yeah, I kind of hate that. It's not like really soft. I don't know how to tell you that. So yeah, we have the charging port. The TF mode, like you can put your mini SD card, and then you get your aux like jack. So it comes with the audio jack wire and the charger. So yeah, well, I can't show you them because I spray painted them. So yeah, I will show you how it sounds. Well, maybe it will not sound like the best because my iPad speaker is kind of a shit. So yeah.
2, 3, fuck it.
With that beep, it tells you if it's all the way up the volume or all the way down. So yeah, this is how it sounds. So yeah, I think it sounds pretty decent. So yeah, it's kind of good.